Hey, what's up everybody? Austin here, Speedy Vinyl. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the reason why you should use 631 on your walls versus using 651. So today we're in my son's room. We're actually going to be moving, he's going to be swapping rooms with my wife's craft room because it's huge.
Yeah,
so,
I need more space. This room is huge.
This room's a lot bigger. So we made these decals for my son a while back, and this part is all 631, and this just peels right off.
I'm gonna do the big
but
part.
it's still adhered, so you can get you a corner, and
we're downstairs, so the lighting is not so good.
So it just comes right off. Now this one in particular is 651, and you're about to find out why you don't use 651.
Ooh, see that? So this Subaru is staying in my craft room because I don't want to well, I do want to repaint. This is not my color of choice, but
trivia question: we may ever do a giveaway, and the giveaway may be what's Austin's favorite car brand, and it is Subaru. You can't tell from my son's Subaru room. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys really quick why you should use 631 versus 651 on your walls. Thanks guys, have a good day.
You can find it on our website.
There you go.
SpeedyVinylShop.com.